Hello students, in this video we are going to discuss this problem. This is the question of the day 16. So let's begin the observation part. So if you observe one thing in the equation, you will observe one thing. First of all, you have to make the base same here. Okay, then afterwards you have to replace it with the t here. So let's begin the solution part. So if you observe one thing, we have this equation that we have to solve. Okay, so if you observe, we will making the base same here. Okay, how? If you observe, this is 3 we have, this is 3 and this is 3 we have. Okay, now we know base changing property, that is going to be this replaced with this. The same it is going to replace with this one, same here as well. Okay, if you apply it, what you will get? This term, if you replace here, it is going to be what? Log 3 to the base x is nothing but 1 by log x to the base 3 here, that we replace. Similarly, you have to replace this one, and here you have to replace this one. Okay, quite easy is that. If you observe one thing, here you can apply the property. If you still remembered, what is the property we have? Yes, that is log m by n. That is log m minus log n. Is it? Yes. That we just applied here. Now similarly, we will be applying the same property here as well. Then we will get log m minus log n. Now if you observe one thing, this value is going to be 1 and this is going to be what? This is going to be log 3 raised power 4 to the base 3 and this is reduced to 4. Okay, so let's quickly see. Now the equation will look like this. Okay, after replacing the log x to the base 3 as t here. Now it is quite easy to solve it because you know already you have to take the LCM part. Okay, if you take the LCM, you will get after that this equation. Okay, because if you take this term will be here and same this is going to be here. Now whatever the denominator will be here will goes here in the right hand side and the 0 will make it 0. Next, if you observe here, what we have, this is multiplied, this is t square that I just set it down. Then we have t here. Next, if you observe, if this t is multiplied, it is going to be minus t. So we have this equation where this is going to be cancel out. If you cancel out, you will be getting now t square equals to 4. That is, t can be 2 or 4. Is it? Yes. Now look at here. The first equation that we have to solve, that is log x to the base 3, that is going to be 2. Okay, so from here I can say this 3 will have the power of 2. So it is 3 square, that is nothing but 9. Now look at the next case. So here we will be saying it is going to equal to minus 2. Then again the 3 will have the power minus 2. Then it will become 1 by 9. So this is going to be the final answer. And for such videos, that is question of the day, subscribe to this channel and many more questions will be coming on this channel. Thank you.